Hey guys, I went out to the store to Ross and I just got some stuff, and I went to a grocery outlet and got a couple of things, and I got to get it out of the car and I've got to bring it into the warehouse and get stuff listed and start getting stuff set up. So I figured you can watch, see some of the stuff that I do, and you know, maybe if you have any questions, ask me some questions. So let me turn this around. So I'm at home right now, also doing some work cleaning out my little girl's room. I got bags of trash and stuff getting rid of. So I'll put this. Here's the warehouse right here. So, bunch of stuff here. Got the lights on. This is just some stuff that I've got to unbox. Got some recycling. So, but I'm gonna be getting some stuff out of the car. Figured you guys could kind of see some of this stuff and maybe ask me questions, and I'll end up showing you what I got also. I got some cool stuff. What I do is when I'm out at the store, or when I come back from the store, I unload everything right here so I can see what I've got. So these 4 Nike balls I got, soccer balls. That's what I got. I got these at Ross. Got some clothes there. I've got coffee. All right here. I got these at Grocery Outlet. I'll show you what these are. I got 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 of these. Folgers Natural Caramel. These were, I think, $5 each. Profit is like $4.50 each. Good rank on it. One thing you want to make sure of is, you see the expiration date there where it says March 7, 2022? You want to make sure that that expiration date is minimum 120 days out. Amazon wants to see 90 days out. I make sure it's a minimum 120 days, because by the time I list it and ship it in Amazon, a couple weeks is going to go by. Amazon can sometimes take a week or even 2 weeks to get it listed, and then there goes some of your expiration date. I've got more clothes. Now, because of the time of year it is, July, we've got to start thinking school already. So, I'll show you what I got. Here's a JanSport backpack right here. And I got some others here. 1, 2, 3. All right. Subscribe to the channel. All right, let me show you what I got. Just to give you an idea. Now, not everybody will be able to sell these types of items, because new sellers cannot sell the high-end brands, but there's ways around that, and I can always teach you. So, JanSport Hurley, another Hurley one. This one actually was going for a lot of money. It was $25 at Ross. MSRP is $65. I think it was going for like $70 on Amazon. This one was going for a good amount. This is $20. I don't remember. I think this was up near 50. But I got 2 Hurley, I got 2 JanSport. I got some Under Armour shirts. And let's see, I got a couple Under Armour shirts, and I got some Nike shirts. A bunch of different ones. What is in here? Oh, more backpacks. Another Hurley backpack. A Nike backpack. Let's see. What is this? Oh, a t-shirt. I'll show you what I do with the t-shirts. Oh, these Under Armour, like sacks. These were at Ross. $9 each for those. So I got 2 of those. They had 2 on the shelf. That's the one side. The other side is black. And a bunch of shirts. Some Nike shirts. I get a lot of Nike and Under Armour polos. Got some seasonings, more Nike shirt, and a boatload in here. Let's see. Woo. What else we got? Oh, we got Hurley hats. We've got some Under Armour socks. These were at Ross. What is this? I thought this was a jock strap at first, but it's not. It's like a pad for your forearm. This was at Ross for $8. Some Jordan backpacks. This was a nice one. That one was going for a nice $1 on Amazon. That was $25. Did I get 2? No, this is another JanSport. JanSport sells really, really well on Amazon. All these major brands do. Nike, these are all brand new clothes. Let's see. Oh, more socks. If you guys have any questions, let me know here while I'm doing this. I'm not going to stay on here forever because I have listing. I have to list all this stuff. Get it shipped into Amazon. What's in this last bag here? See. Oh, these I got at Staples. This is a case. They're both a case for the iPad 7. I don't remember what I paid for these. It wasn't much. I think it might have been like $25 each, and they were going for around $80 on Amazon. I think the payout was somewhere around $20 to $25 on those. But I'll give you a little tour here. This is the what I call the warehouse / garage right here. All my stuff I have that I ship in. Everything I buy I put right here so I can list it. A lot of this stuff is on eBay already. Some of the stuff is from the eBay buyout from a friend of mine that I bought his eBay store. These boxes down here. I've got more boxes down here. And then I have that shed over there that is full of more stuff. But I've got these wristbands here, these Jawbone wireless activity wristbands. I've got a boatload of those. I've got more up there. And I've got in here, you can see all these Sony. I have 1,500. Let me show you. Ooh, 1,500 of these Sony adapters, and I've been selling them on eBay. Sell them for $10 each, shipped. My cost for everything that I got all this stuff for was only 18 cents each. So there's more boxes all up there. So my cost is only 18 cents each. So every time I sell one, I profit about $3 or $4 after shipping. A bunch of boxes right here. I've got more. I've got these Under Armour book bags. I could not find them on Amazon. I could only find them on eBay. I'd rather sell on Amazon before eBay, but I could not resist because they were on sale for $10. And I had 5. They had 5 of them there, and I bought all 5. I gave one to my father-in-law because he rides a bike to work, and I knew he could use it. But they're good, brand new with tags, Under Armour backpacks. Great condition. Let's see. I'm going to get some boxes out of the car. So what I do is I go to Staples and buy a bunch of boxes because there's some things that I sell that are what's known as like merchant fulfilled, where I go and I keep the product here at my house, and then when it sells, then I ship it to my customer. And that's only because there is an expiration date to this item that I sell, and I can make more money merchant fulfilling it, meaning where when somebody buys one on Amazon, then I ship it to them. Amazon gives me some credits for shipping for each order. Shipping usually costs anywhere from $8 to $13-ish. It depends on where it's being shipped. If I'm shipping East Coast, mid-states, it's going to be around $8 to $9. If I'm shipping as far as Texas or California, it's getting closer to like $12 to $13. So I have here my computer, my setup, all here, and I bought this computer strictly for Amazon. This is my POL system. I call it a point of listing. And I do all of my stuff in a program called Inventory Lab. Where's the mouse? Get rid of all this stuff. I don't want to see that. So I do everything in Inventory Lab. This is the software that runs my Amazon business. This software is linked to an app on my phone, which is called Scoutify. And when I'm out at the store scanning, I'm actually scanning, let me show you. I'm scanning the manufacturer's barcode right there, and then I'm seeing what I can sell it for on Amazon. Let's see. Boom, boom. But let me close this stuff out. But I'll show you. Let's see, new batch. Select file. All right, I have to download my file. This is the point where actually I'm going to sign off, you guys, because I have to list all this stuff right here and get it shipped off to Amazon. But I wanted to just give you guys just an idea. This is what my day is like when I'm doing stuff Amazon related. Just here in the home warehouse and getting stuff listed, prepped, shipped, labeled. I've got labels like this sold as a set label. On some of the stuff I have these thank you stickers, and you know, I've got with some stuff that I inventory, I actually have inventory stickers like this that I use. This is I already went through half a roll of another one that I lost, so I had to buy another roll and do stuff. But if you guys go to my YouTube channel, residualhustler.com, you'll actually see a video there, like it's called an Amazon Masterclass, and in that video, it's like an hour and a half long. I actually go over step by step how to find the stuff, what you need, and how to list it on Amazon to do this kind of stuff. So It's not difficult. It just takes a, there's a learning curve to it. But if you're interested, go check that out. But you can also go to the website residualhustler.com and click on the YouTube link. You can also click on the Amazon link, and then you'll be taken to the Amazon portion of my website, where you can find a whole bunch of other stuff regarding Amazon. And then you'll see a whole bunch of other stuff regarding the other things that I do to earn an income. So if you're curious, check that out. If you have any questions or whatnot, just drop a comment below or let me know. But I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an insight as to what I do. So now that I have all this stuff behind me, and there's probably about maybe close to 100 items, because there's more stuff in a couple more bags that I have to get. So this will probably be about a $700 to $900 profit on this one. And I ship everything to one warehouse, so I can probably get it in 2 boxes. What I do is I just pack the boxes. I have a barcode scanner here, like this, where I scan the barcodes of the products to list into Amazon, and also when I'm going and putting the stuff in the boxes. So it makes it real easy. So any questions, just let me know. Private message me or comment below. See ya.